You searched how to buy shares of DirectBooking Technology Co Ltd. DirectBooking provides booking technology for travel and hospitality, and its shares trade on NASDAQ under the ticker ZDAI. This video is educational and not financial advice. To buy shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to show the process. After registering, you must verify your account, typically with an identity document, and add funds before you can buy. Use the platform search bar and type the ticker ZDAI to find the listing. Check the company name shown to make sure it is DirectBooking Technology Co Ltd. Open the stock page to read basic company information and view the price chart. Confirm the page shows NASDAQ and ticker ZDAI so you have the correct asset. Click Invest or Buy, enter the amount you want to purchase, then review and confirm the order details. If the market is closed, your order may execute when it reopens. And if you don't have enough funds, the platform will prompt you to add them before confirming. Once the order fills, the position will appear in your portfolio. Check the video description for the eToro link if you want to follow the same example.